That's why I came out here.
Device came in Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus.
Yeah, so I came out here, and I remember you guys did a good job last time. And I have a question for you. You guys all, can you? I'm not sure how all this works, but can you guys unlock phones as well? Like, and I mean unlock it where would I be able, like for example, on my Note 8, would I be able to put like a prepaid SIM card on there?
Okay, actually,
Because it's a T-Mobile.
damage.
And what I mean by unlock it, you know, so I could use my prepaid SIM cards on there.
Yeah. Well, she said Note 8, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's about $99.
How much? $90?
Yeah, about $99.
And I